professional manufacturer vacuum suction cup supplier. Shenzhen Fest Vacuum Technology Company Limited has been specialized in the research and development, manufacturing and continuous innovation in the vacuum field more than 8 years. Located in Shenzhen adjoining Hong Kong and covers an area of 1,600 square meters. The main products are mounting suction cups, pneumatic suction cups, electronic suction cups, car roof suction cups, and glass lifter. The manual suction cup sizes are from 2.5 to 12, with built-in spring-balanced pump and pressure warning indicator, and all are CE certified. Are widely used for car mounting cameras, bike and equipment fixation, well suited for PDR and any smooth non-porous surface of glass, marble or tiles. Each vacuum suction cup must be tested precisely and completely before shipment to ensure quality compliance and safety standard for users. The industrial pneumatic suction cups sizes vary from 1.5 mm to 400 mm with flat round, bellows and oval shapes made of different rubber materials which have the good performance in wear resisting. High and low temperature resistance, widely used for plastic, sheet metal, wood of automatic production and objects carrying industries. OEM orders are acceptable. Like always, we are committed to providing high-quality products and extraordinary service to our customers throughout the world, while offering factory direct sales price, and we sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us for common development in the long run.